So finally got the young ones separate in this loft with one of the most secure doors, I must say. If you know, you know. And the 18 would be 23, but I'm keeping the 2 whites for breeding. I'm keeping 1 blue for breeding and a pair of saddle young ones. It's 18, and that's not including, I put the fantail in there on that side so it doesn't annoy these young ones and doesn't annoy the breeders. So he'll be there as a dropper for the flyers. But yeah, it doesn't include what I've got for flying there and the hens that I've got for flying. So eventually once they mature, boys will be over here, the hens will go on the hen side, and then this will be back for the offcuts again. Yeah, it's 18 young ones. From the very young to the young. In a couple months, see what they all do. This time we're going to let them mature properly. And that's about it. Alright, so let these guys be. I'll chuck the water in. The feeding tray. It's going to be quite a few saddles for flying too. It's going to be awesome. The OG young ones as well. That one there, that one over there. And there's two young ones here. That one there from the all blue hen, the all blue big hen. Which is pretty good. And we'll see how these two go. See how they all go. So yeah, probably do a clean up on Saturday, but for the young one I'm going to keep is that blue, that nice blue, probably hen, that one there, and the 2 whites. That silver as well. And then we've also got 2 young saddles which finally came out of there, which is this one here, and don't know where the other one is. Where'd it go? Probably in front of me, I just can't see it. You got that. It's here somewhere. So that one and its nestling, going to be for breeding. Coming up nice. And on top of what we've got, we've still got 2 there. We've got 2 over here. We've got these 2, those 2. We've got 2 there. We've got 1 there. We've got 2 there. Babies. Then we've got 1 just hatched here. We've got 1 there. Then we've got 2 here. Then we've got eggs. There we go. We've got these 2 over here as well. Then we've got eggs over there. And eggs over there. Then we've got eggs and eggs. So there'll be 2. I won't fly that one. I'll probably fly that one. So there'll be 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 11. There'll be 13 flying still more. And that's not including 2, 4, 6, 8 eggs that still got to hatch. So there'll probably be another 18, let's say, 20, that I do put aside. From 18 and 18, it's 36. Altogether, it'll be like 50 plus flyers with the ones that are already flying, eventually. And then we'll see how these ones come up. These two younger ones as well. There it is. Come back up. So there's the nest mate on it. There's the nesting one, I'll say. Put that one there. And these two. They'll be for breeding. Those two are for breeding. Veso saddles. Hens a Veso. Boy's a Tomich, the old boy. Came up pretty good, I must say. Yeah, these ones came up alright. Pretty good. So yeah, I've got 18 young ones over there. So it'll be easier for these guys to eat and feed and do what they do. And eventually, when that cage is clear, whatever's not breeding, which will be a lot, put them over there. And then I'll probably just breed still from that blue hen, silver, and this silver here. And I might let this pair breed their own instead of using them as feeders. Just see what they do. One's a bit smaller, looks like. That's alright. Looks like they're going to come up loose. It's coming a nice light blue. Massive beard. So this one, is that red? Get out of here. Get out of here. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. No way. No friggin' way. Can't even tell. Yeah. Pick up. Camera. Shit. Does anyone know what's a cheap, good phone that does good videos? I might see I might check out a Motorola or something. I just can't. I'm just not someone that will spend $1,000 on a camera. It's not me. I'm not going to do that. Yeah. Is that red? Is it going to be like a blue with a hint of red, or? Is that a red? Look at the tail. Look at the tail. So we've got a couple. That's red, man. That's a red. Get out of here. Well, we know that's not for flight. That is insanity. What's the red? Don't even know what you would call that. A redhead. That's the father. So he's from her and the Visto. And then the mother of these are from there as well. So they're creating some crazy birds. Crazy birds. I've never flown him. Because at that time I didn't have much. So I put a lot of birds back then just for breeding. All the young ones. But this time there's gonna be a lot flying. But yeah. That one's coming up a nice light blue. And this one, the tail's red. Kind of looks like a redhead. Well, we'll find out. That's crazy.